In this video, I'm checking out a really awesome pair of wireless earbuds from Creative. Hey YouTubers, Christopher here, and on this channel I make weekly gadget and tech reviews, so if you are new here, definitely consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And hey, if you'd like to know more about anything that I mentioned in the video, I'll leave a link in the description below. So recently Creative sent me a pair of their Outlier 1 Plus earbuds free of charge for me to check out. And I want to give a huge thanks to Creative for sending these over to me. But as always, I will be giving you my completely unbiased opinion. So the Outlier 1 Plus earbuds are an awesome pair of wireless earbuds that are great for going out on a run or working out at the gym. But are they perfect? No. But they just might be my favorite pair of wireless earbuds. Straight out of the box you get the earbuds themselves, a very soft felt carrying pouch, some extra silicone tips, a micro USB cable for charging and loading music, a cable clip, and some paperwork including some safety and regulatory information, warranty information, and of course a quick start guide. The Outlier 1 Plus earbuds, as I mentioned, are wireless. However, they are not truly wireless earbuds. They pair very easily over Bluetooth 4.2 and have a pretty decent operating range, which is about 10 meters. The earbuds have no connection issues at all, and there was no latency issues when I was catching up on YouTube videos. Build quality is very decent, and although the earbuds are made of plastic, they feel very solid. They have a simple, sleek design to them, and they look quite sporty, being entirely black with some orange accents. The Outlier 1 Plus earbuds have a flat, tangle-free cable, and they're very lightweight and compact at just under 16 grams, so you can easily toss them in your pocket. The earbuds have a built-in microphone, and a set of inline controls for controlling your music. The buttons are clicky and tactile, and they are slightly raised so it's very easy to find the right button. The Outlier 1 Plus earbuds have 4 GB of built-in storage to store all your favorite tunes, which is a really great feature because you won't need to have your phone on you when you're out for a run or working out at the gym. There is also a USB port for charging and loading up music. The earbuds have 6mm neodymium drivers that produce a very robust sound. Mids and highs are super crisp and super clear. You get a generous amount of bass that is nice and punchy without being too overpowering. The Outlier 1 Plus earbuds get plenty loud enough, and I had no problem having these at max volume without distortion. Battery life on these things are pretty decent. You get about 7 hours in Bluetooth mode and about 10 hours in MP3 mode, and it takes about 2.5 hours to charge them back up. The earbuds have a waterproof rating of IPX4, so they'll be able to handle some rain or some sweat. Comfort-wise, the Outlier 1 Plus earbuds may be the most comfortable earbuds I've owned. They fit nice and snug, and they are extremely comfortable to wear for long periods of time. They feel very secure once in your ears, and I never felt like they needed adjusted or like they were going to fall out. Overall, the Outlier 1 Plus wireless earbuds are a fantastic pair of earbuds. They sound great, they are super comfy, but as I said earlier, they are not perfect, and there are a few minor things that could be improved. So the first thing is I had an issue with the inline controls. They didn't always fully work, and it was specifically the previous track function. Using the earbuds in MP3 mode or in Bluetooth mode with the stock music app on my smartphone, I didn't seem to have any issues. However, when I was using a streaming music app like Amazon Music, the previous track button only went to the beginning of the track that I was currently on. The second thing is the issue that I had while loading music onto the earbuds from my computer. Now, I haven't tried the earbuds with a PC, but when I tried to eject the earbuds from my Mac, the earbuds would automatically remount, and I would have to unplug the earbuds without ejecting them from my computer. Another thing that I don't like about these earbuds is that they're not magnetic, and I really think that it would have been nice to be able to click them together when you're not using them. Lastly, I think Creative should have went with a USB Type-C port instead of the micro USB port, but that's not really a deal breaker. Other than those few things, the Outlier 1 Plus earbuds work fantastic. If you want to pick up a pair for yourself, they sell for $49.99 US or $65.99 Canadian at the time of filming. But I'd really love to hear what you think of the Outlier 1 Plus wireless earbuds. Let me know down in the comments. If you did go on to enjoy this video, or it helped you out in any way, feel free to hit that like button and consider subscribing for more weekly content just like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.